Drone H16 Professional Dual Camera Quadcopter. The H16 Professional Drone is a high-performance dual-camera quadcopter designed for aerial photography, GPS navigation, and laser obstacle avoidance. With an upgraded brushless motor, foldable arms, and intelligent flight modes, this drone is perfect for beginners and professionals alike. Key features: GPS precise positioning and return functions. One-button return for safe retrieval. Low-power return and out-of-control return to prevent drone loss. Electronic fence protection ensures the drone won't fly out of range. Professional dual camera system. Front camera, 1920x 1080p HD resolution for stunning aerial photography. Adjustable 90 degrees wide-angle camera for enhanced coverage. 120 degrees wide-angle shooting for immersive views. PTZ shock absorption for stable video recording. Wi-Fi image transmission up to 300 meters for real-time viewing. Brushless motor and extended flight time. Upgraded brushless motor provides strong wind resistance and smooth flight. 18-minute battery life with a 1800 mAh lithium battery. Advanced flight modes. Follow me mode, drone automatically follows your movement. Waypoint flight, draw a flight path on your mobile screen. Surround mode, orbit around a target for cinematic shots. Optical flow positioning, stable hovering indoors and outdoors. Headless mode, no need to adjust the drone's orientation. Intelligent obstacle avoidance and stability. 360 degrees laser obstacle avoidance prevents collisions. Altitude hold mode for steady flight and smooth footage. 6-axis gyroscope ensures stable flight and easy handling. Compact and foldable design. Portable and lightweight, fits in your backpack. One-hand carrying, making it travel-friendly. Specifications: frequency, 2.4 GHz. Channels, 4. Gyroscope, 6-axis. Remote control distance, 120 meters. Charging time, about 45 minutes. Flight time, 18 minutes. Size, 37 by 37 by 16 centimeters. Remote battery, 3 times AA batteries, not included. Why choose the H16 drone? Best for professional aerial photography. Stable flight with GPS and brushless motors. Dual HD cameras with a wide-angle lens. Foldable, portable and travel-friendly. Obstacle avoidance for extra safety. Perfect for beginners and experts. Experience the best in drone technology with the H16 Professional Dual Camera Drone.